Welcome to today's dream. We've got a really fun one today, connected with Dave or DHK in the Lenny's Slack group, and I believe it was the Talk AI channel where we shared a little bit about Dream. He enthusiastically jumped on the wait list. We've been chatting a little bit back and forth, and so Dave has been experimenting and playing around with as many tools as he can. He wrote this little post, which I don't know if it's actually live yet. I'll run this past him, make sure he's okay sharing it. We'll put the links to each of the things I'm showing down in the comments. But he effectively built this really cool LinkedIn tool using Claude artifacts and no manual coding. He then took the time to actually stand it up and get it published on a URL. He's documenting everything that he's doing in a GitHub repo, lots of thorough documentation, so you can follow along and see exactly what he's doing, how the little tool has evolved. And this is effectively what it was. Let me actually reload here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Scott Robinson, one of our advisors here, and then my co-founder, Kyle Ledbetter. And now it's going to generate URLs for each of them, where if I click this URL, it's now going to load directly to Scott, which is very cool. Fun little app. I'm going to show what we did using Dream to go ahead and recreate it. So something really cool that we shipped recently was, let's see, we're going to use this one. So this is a screenshot of that app that you just saw. We're adding it in, and we're just going to ask it to, can you recreate this app? Which we've been working kind of behind the scenes to develop some of the more multimodal functionality. This is really cool. It's going to show, again, super simple prompt, obviously. Here's the actual image that we uploaded and that we used. It's now kind of working to generate that. You'll see it's already written the code. It's generating that preview for us. And we're going to see how it does on the first try. It's usually pretty darn good. And then I think we're going to get a little creative and see if we can add a few more things to it. One of the things that DHK mentioned is I guess the full utility of this is make it really easy to see who's who on LinkedIn, link to them, and then send a quick intro email. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something kind of fun and show you that intro email, or add that intro email to this. I was just going to switch over into light mode, which always feels a little bit better with this color scheme. So we'll see here, we'll do the same thing. We'll do Scott Robinson and Kyle Ledbetter, and now in theory it's going to go ahead and create these URLs. Okay, cool, works just the same. So that's fun. Nice, quick, easy way to recreate using an image. That same functionality, what we've been doing, and I think Kyle actually posted this in the last stream, we'll just draw out what a wireframe or a UI looks like, and apologize for Mr. Peter, he's a little active. But let's see what we can do here in terms of, can you also write an introduction email and make it easy for me to copy paste? And I think I spelled that right. Let's see what comes back. Hopefully this works. Hopefully we're done in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for bearing with us as Mr. Peter protects the house from the outside world. And all right, let's do Scott Robinson, Kyle Ledbetter. Let's generate those URLs. Okay, great. And I can copy the template. Not the greatest template. It could be a little bit better if I'm being honest. But you get the gist. This is a super easy way you can kind of replicate or recreate some things that you've seen around the web. fully functional. You can also then iterate here. You could other things you could do. You could change styling if you really wanted to. Lots of fun stuff and options. So I'm gonna stop here, and we'll see you in the next stream. Later, y'all.